Hello everyone, welcome to Creatively Organized. I'm Srujna. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I organize my kids' bookshelf. I hope you'll like it. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. This is the bookshelf. It's divided into two parts, the upper part and the lower one. The shelf are the chart papers for his school projects. On the second shelf, this folder contains all the circulars, letters from school, his worksheets, everything I keep here. And now this is my kid's favorite coloring box. I'll show you. It opens up into different colors. It's an entire kit. Then you close it up like this into one box. And this is his box. On the second box here, this black box, I keep his whiteboard mark cleaner, a cloth, his whiteboard duster, few marker pens and whiteboard markers. There are the whiteboard markers. There's one as well. Then there are his national flags badges, and this is his favorite Spider-Man keychain. Now coming to the third shelf, I organize all his school books here. Tables, his workbook, his atlas, school atlas here, and his notebooks and his dictionary here. And this file here I use, and this file here are all the letters inside, all the communications that I send to school through the teacher. Coming to this side, on the top I keep the medicine box and his syrups. Second one is his immunization and health record. This is a book I keep a health record with, his eye doctor's report card. And here he keeps his comics. This side as well. These are all his favorite books. And here this is a ready spray and his cricket gloves. Today there was no match, so they are in here. He always carries this in case there is an injury. Now below here is his charging point for his tab and his daily stationery here in this angry wall. I've kept the pack open for the video, easy for me to access to. Color pencils and his sketch pens. There are a few of his favorite soft toys. Now coming to the lower part, on the lower shelf you see a few boxes here. This box contains his extra stationery from school that's been sent to us. For the year round we use the stationery. And in second box I keep his stickers. You can see Minions sticker here and a few from Toy Story. I keep them all organized here. And then in this box, this is art or competition box. Every time there's a competition of art in his school, I give all the contents that he needs in this box, like stickers, pom-pom balls, scissors, then a few decorative stuff, and this here is a note to write his name sticky note, this one or on this side, different shapes. Sticky note to write his name, class on it and stick on the project for competition. They are his glue sticks, these two. So this is the competition box, and this here, in this box here there are a few random tapes which are required. Now coming to this is an Apsara writing kit. There's erasers, pencil, different types, and this, and then there is his Spider-Man kit. My kid loves Spider-Man, big fan. Or maybe all kids are, don't know. Now this, he keeps a ruler and an extra pencil box at home. Now coming to the second shelf, I've used this organizing basket to keep his regular stationery of pens, pencils, his geometry box, his written gifts, his cutter and other random stationery stuff here. Just nothing bad. It's best to keep it in a basket to help the kids pick things from one place. They're all in one place and they'll also learn to be more organized. I also put 2 glue bottles here. There's another one. Now coming to the third shelf, this is his arts basket. Everything required only for his school. Like his oil pastels are taken only to school work. Then his cutter for school. These are the pottery cutlery that he takes for his pottery classes. Then there's the water tubes, watercolor tubes, then glass colors, and a few crayons here, and clay packs, and sketch pens, and his pencils. So whatever is in this basket belongs only to school. He takes when he has his art class. He's not supposed to use them at home because I have another kit for using at home. So this is a school art basket. Going to the second shelf here. The top shelf, I have his file here in which I keep all his subscription forms. Like we have subscribed for Tinkle Comics for a year subscription, we have the subscription form here. Now the second is a zipper pouch. In which I keep his maps for schoolwork and graph sheets, and of course his extra school labels. Now again, this is his writing board, his art. Let me show you guys. This is his Benton writing board. Then there's, sorry about that. Then there's his artwork from Faber-Castell. Let me show you this. Faber-Castell. These are the coloring sheets and the sketches come with that. Then a few random books. Those back there are the book transparent covers. And these are his cursive writing books and a few random books here. Cut and paste books. That's how I organize the first shelf. Now coming to the second one. This is a paper organizer. I'll show you guys. Pull it out. It's like this. I keep all his color sheets here. and at the lower level all his white sheets for his schoolwork. This organizer has really helped me to keep the papers in order, and my kid can access to it on his own. Now coming to the lower part, I have a few A4 binder book pages, all his random pages for his schoolwork and projects. And these long rule sheets are for practicing at home, writing the spellings or doing his math work, etc. Now on this last shelf here are my kids' games, board games. All I've organized everything like this. Actually, there's another shelf here on this side. As you can see, there are buttons on that corner and this one. I've removed the shelf so that the long ones can fit inside. They're perfectly done. After the toys, this is the last row of the shelf, and I've put the white papers here, for printouts, A4 papers, and for art and craft or any necessary project work, white papers here. This is how I organized my kids' bookshelf. Products shown in my video has all the links mentioned in the description box. I hope you all liked the video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.